On Take 5, GV Wire asked Democratic candidate for Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara his views on 5 trending topics.
The Insurance Commissioner plays a very pivotal role in the lives of every Californian. As the largest insurance market regulator in the country, we want to make sure that the insurance companies are playing fair and that people are getting the services that they need, and more importantly, that they're getting the payouts from their policies when they actually need it. I think what people really want to hear is how we're going to impact their lives, how are we going to continue to ensure that Californians have the resources they need to succeed, that their kids can go to school, that we continue to create more jobs. So I think that's what we're moving to. The fact is that, I think people are kind of tired of us fighting Trump and him responding. I think it's more important for us to stay focused on positive aspects. There's many communities that are disproportionately disadvantaged and also bear the brunt of poor air quality and bad water. And I think for us as a state is we gotta make sure we democratize our environmental policies to ensure that they benefit the people that are impacted the most up and down our Central Valley. We know this is ground zero. And so as a state, we've really invested a lot of the money that we've raised to go directly into communities that are disproportionately affected by air pollution. The financial strategy that we've based it on is actually raising fees on companies that are already paying a substantial amount of money for healthcare, but the fact is that we would eliminate their healthcare costs because they no longer have to provide that as a company because everybody will have access to care. Workers' comp goes away, which is another big cost for corporations. Now we're saying, let's reinvest that money from corporations, redirect that into a public option where everybody has access, and we actually cut the cost for companies to deliver care for their employees. When we talk to business owners and businesses that want to come into California, they not necessarily don't want a tax credit. What they want is they want good schools, they want good infrastructure, they want to make sure that there's appropriate housing so that their employees can live close to work. When we're talking about how do we bring and how do we keep companies here, we have to invest in our infrastructure. We have to invest in our schools. We have to continue to invest on those things that they value as important, and in return, continue to strengthen our economy.